We present Canvas, a tool for authoring stories using visual storyboards. Canvas automatically completes partially specified stories into consistent and complete narratives, and instantly generates a 3D animation of the narrative for pre-visualization and rapid iteration. To build the story world, a domain expert defines a collection of smart, semantically labeled objects and actors, and an event lexicon that describes the possible interactions with a particular themed scenario. Events are defined as logical, context-specific interactions between participating virtual actors, which are abstracted as visual storyboards. With Canvas's simple, intuitive graphical interface, users build complex story arcs by incrementally assigning actors to story events. Authoring a story entails a few simple steps. The author drags and drops event instances, visualized as parameterized storyboard elements, onto the story canvas to author a story. Events between different participants that occur simultaneously form a story beat, and a sequence of story beats forms a complete story arc. At any time, the author can synthesize a 3D animation for real-time visual feedback of the narrative. In this example, we author an elaborate bank heist where 3 robbers resort to deception and violence to rob a bank. Within the main story arc, a subplot plays out in which the robbers double-cross each other until only one is remaining. A narrative of this length and complexity takes minutes to author. In contrast, current authoring systems require immense effort and scripting of details that are irrelevant to the progression of the narrative. Our user study confirms that inexperienced authors benefit from the intuitive visual interface and find it conducive to rapidly prototyping and pre-visualizing complex narratives. To further ease the authoring burden, Canvas allows authors to focus only on key events that are narratively significant. In this example, the author ends the story with a customer holding the robber at gunpoint. Canvas automatically identifies and resolves the incomplete stories by efficiently exploring the space of partial narratives using a provably sound, complete algorithm. For the story to end as specified, the customer needs access to a weapon. Canvas identifies and resolves this constraint by introducing an event at the beginning in which the robber coerces the guard into dropping his weapon. This allows the customer to pick up the guard's dropped weapon while the robber is in the teller room. Canvas completes the story such that the robber's own actions are what ultimately lead to his surrender. Existing authoring systems offer automation, but at the cost of creative control. Canvas uses automation to aid, not hinder, the authoring process. Authors define the plot points of their narrative, and automation is used interactively to fill in details. Automation preserves creative intent. It is guaranteed to find a consistent story satisfying authored plot points, if one exists. The efficiency of automation enables an interactive authoring cycle. According to a study with novice users, we confirm that automation significantly reduces the authoring time and effort without hindering creativity. Authors may choose to focus only on the plot points of the story without specifying the participants. Canvas automatically selects a suitable combination of actors and smart objects to fill the roles of the story while ensuring consistency of story progression. Canvas works behind the scenes to make the authoring process as seamless as possible. Use cases for this tool include pre-visualization of stories for rapid iteration and development, accessible authoring for low-overhead consumer-created content, and automated narrative synthesis. The author may simply specify the desired outcome, where the robber escapes with the money. Canvas automatically synthesizes a complete story, generating an elaborate sequence of events in order for the robber to steal the money and escape. The author is free to iterate on the synthesized narrative. Simply replacing the last event with the guard coercing the robber into surrendering produces a different outcome, where the robber is unsuccessful in escaping.